I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. Sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean.
Saw you in that corner with your dirty shoe. Then you put your apron on and there's a long line waiting for you. What can I do for you? She said in front of my face so I couldn't breathe. The sweet smile in your face, but I know that you're just trying to be nice to me. Daisy, Daisy, you gave me a hazy feeling lately. Can you stay with me? Along with my sweetest latte you came. Ooh, stay by my side, no more feeling. Ooh, you make things right, Daisy, I love you. Sitting on my table far, but my eyes got fixed on you. I've only seen you twice in my life, but
Hey, little bird, flap your wings and jump up to the cloud. Don't be afraid, soon you'll sail in the arms of the wind. Fly into the world that you dreamed of. Little bird, little bird, little bird, little bird, fly into the world that you dreamed of. Little bird, sing us stories of lives over there. Don't hesitate, you can always come back anytime. Get into the bed we've made for you. Little bird, little bird, little bird, little bird, fly into the world that you dreamed of. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't be afraid, soon you'll sail in the arms of the wind. Don't hesitate, you can always come back anytime. Fly back to the world in your dream. Little bird, little bird, little bird, little bird, fly into the world that you dreamed of. Fly into the world that you dreamed of.
She'd take the world off my shoulders if it was ever to move. She'd turn the rain to a rain when I was living in the blue. Why then is she so perfect? Do I still wish that it was you? Perfect don't mean that it's working, so what can I do when you're out of sight? In my mind, 'cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find a glimpse of us. And I try to fall for its eyes, but I'm thinking of the way it was. Said I'm fine, said I moved on. I'm only here passing time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of love. Tell me, savors your glow. Does he laugh the way I did? Is this a part of your story, one that I'd never lived? Maybe one day you'll feel lonely, and in his eyes you'll get a glimpse. Maybe you'll start slipping slowly, find me again when you're out of sight in my mind. 'Cause sometimes I get right, and that's where I find a glimpse of light. And I try to fall for a taste, but I'm thinking all the way it was. Said I'm fine, said I'm move on. I'll only hear past the time it grows. Hoping I'll find a glimpse of you.
Lost on the freeway. This must be LA. Tired and lonely, with no real place to stay. Is this the future? And where I'm gonna be? Last night it hit me when I had this crazy dream. I'm waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tune out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. You were intriguing, just looking at a magazine. Like when I first saw you back in 2003. Then you walked over and said you don't have to be alone. I don't have a crystal ball, but there's no way that I could have known. I've been waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tune out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. Waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tune out
Save your life as all you've ever known and ever owned. As you fade out to feel storm. Chance to break, would you be on your way out? Who are you? Given a chance to break, would you be on your way out? Who are
One went out to the bus stop in Edinburgh. One went out in an English park. One went out in a nightclub when I was 15. Little lights in my heart. One went out when I lied to my mother. Say the cigarettes she found were not mine. One went out within me, now I smoke like a chimney. It's getting dark in this heart of mine. It's getting dark in these hearts of mine. We're born with millions of little lights shining in the dark. And they show us the way. One lights up every time you feel love in your heart, one dies when it moves away. One went out in the back streets of Manchester, one went out in an airport in Spain. One went out, I've no doubt, when I grew up and moved out at the place where the boy used to play. One went out when Uncle Ben got his tumor. We used to fish and I fish no more. Though we will not return, I know one still burns on a fishing boat off the New Jersey shore. On a fishing boat off the New Jersey shore. We're born with millions of little lights shining in the dark, and they show us the way. One lights up every time you feel love in your heart, one dies when it moves away. We're born with millions of little lights shining in our hearts, and they die along the way till we rolled and we're cold and lying in the dark. 'Cause they'll all burn out one day. They'll all burn out one day. Hey, they'll all burn out one day. All burn out one day.
So it is, just like you said it would be. Life goes easy on me most of the time. So it is, the shorter story. No love, no glory. No hero in her sky. I can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off you. I 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 can't take my eyes. So it is, just like you said it should be. We'll both forget the breeze most of the time. So it is, the colder water, the blower's daughter. can't take my eyes off you. I 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 can't take my eyes. Ooh, did I say that I loved you? Did I say that I want to leave it all behind? I can't take my mind off you. 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 And I can't take my mind off you. I can't take my mind. My mind. My mind. Till I find somebody new.
could fly away, do you believe something beautiful is happening? Follow where our hearts lead us to be. Come get me, dear. So many places I've been away from here, but now I see you, that's enough for me. Being beside you makes me free, right here. I see you, I see you. Down every road, it leads us up. Love never stops. I see you, I see you. Through many storms, we need it most. Just keep me close. Our love's not a ghost. Hold my hand. Feel the moment you are breathing in. Look into my eyes, no words by then. I see you want it to happen now and again. I see you, I see you. Down every road, it leads us up. Love never stops. Climb the cliff, we could fly away. Do you believe? I see you. I see you. Down every road, it leads us up. Love never stops. I see you. I see you. Through many storms, we need it most. Just keep me close. Our love's not a ghost.
Ceilings, plaster. Can't you just make it move faster? Lovely to be sitting here with you. You're kinda cute, but it's raining harder. My shoes are now full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. It's kinda cute, but it's so short. Then you're driving me home, and I don't wanna leave, but I have to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before. Bed sheets, no clothes. Touch me like nobody else does. Lovely to just lay here with you. You're kinda cute, and I would say all of this, but I don't wanna ruin the moment. Lovely to sit between comfort and chaos. It's been a long, long time since I've memorized your face. It's been 4 hours now since I've wandered through your place. And when I sleep on your couch I feel very safe. And when you bring the blankets I cover up my face. I do love you. I do love you. And when you play guitar, I listen to the strings buzz. The metal vibrates underneath your fingers. And when you crochet, I feel mesmerized and proud. And I would say I love you, but saying it out loud is hard. So I won't say it at all. And I won't stay very long. But you are the life I needed all along. I think of you as my brother, although that sounds dumb. And words are futile devices. Hey, little bird, flap your wings and jump up to the cloud. Don't be afraid, soon you'll sail in the arms of the wind. Fly into the world that you dreamed of. Little bird, little bird, little bird, little bird, fly into the world let you breathe.